Hello everyone, you are highly welcome. In today's tutorial today, we are going to be solving this beautiful problem on the board. If you can solve the problem, kindly put the solution in the comment section. Okay, I'm going to attend to this. If you cannot do it, so let's see how we can solve this together. It's not hard. All right, we are given 9 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of y equals 104. So now this is what I'm going to do. From here, I can write this as 3 to the power of 2. And you know the power is 2, which shows that it's going to be multiplying this. But this is what I want to do. I want to, okay, I have 2x minus 2 to the power of 2. Also, we multiply y. We have 2y being the power. All right, so here I have 104. Now, there's something I want to do here. You know, from here, I can have this to be 3 to the power of x. Okay, then I put what? I put the 2 outside. Okay, because both of them are powers, 2 and x, they are powers. Then, because of where we are going out, so I will put this x inside, I put the 2 outside. Then also the same thing here, 2 y inside, I put the 2 outside, then we have 104. Now from here, the next thing we're going to do, we can see this left hand side of this equation here looks like what we call difference of two squares, which will give us a minus b, then a plus b. You got that? Now this 3 to the power of x is same thing as a, 2 to the power of y is same thing as b. Now I want to write this in this format. So we're going to have what? 3 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of y, 3 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of y, then equals. Now the next thing we're going to do, you know, we factorize the left hand side. So I will have to factorize the right hand side. Now, out of the factors of what? Of 104, we have what we call 2 and what? 2 multiplied by 52. So 2 multiplied by 52, okay, we have 2 of them being the factors of what? Of 104. So we still have some other ones, but the one that will give us the desired solution is 2 and 52. Okay, so you can test run and get that. So now from here, let's try to do comparison. Okay, this is factored and this is factored, so you can see that this is greater, this is less than this, 2 is less than, so therefore we're going to compare this with 2 and compare this with what? 52. So from there, we're going to have 3 to the power of s minus 2y will be equals to what? Equals to 2. Let's call this equation 1. Then also, we're going to have 3 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of y equals what? Equals 52. Let's call this equation 2. All right, so now from there, the next thing we're going to do is that let's try to solve this one simultaneously. So by adding these two equations, so we're going to have what? 3x plus x, this is going to be 2, okay, multiplying 3 to the power of x, because this and this means 2 doubled, so that is 2 times 3 to the power of x. This and this will be cancelled, becomes 0, so we have this plus this, that will give us what? 54. So now from here, what we need to do here is that you're going to divide both sides by 2. So this, we cancel this. We're going to have 3 to the power of x equals. Now 54 divided by 2 is going to be 27. We have 27. So now from here, you see that this 27 can be written as index form, okay, as 3 to the power of x equals, it can be written as 3 to the power of 3. Since the same basis, we have the same basis, so this implies that the x equals what? S equals 3, which is the first solution we are looking for out of what we're looking for. Now, since x equals 3, so let's put this x equals 3 into any of this equation here. So now I'm going to pick equation 1 because it's simpler. So from equation 1, that is from 1 here, okay, so I'm going to be having 3 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of y, okay, equals 2. So now, what is 3? You can see the x is 3. I'm going to put the 3 here, minus 2 to the power of y equals 2. So now from here, try to rearrange this, okay? This is going to be 2 to the power of y equals 3 to the power of 3 minus what? Minus 2. All right, so from there, we have 2 to the power of y equals, now 3 to the power of 3 will give us 27 minus 2. Do you understand? So from there, the next thing we're going to do, we have 2 to the power of y equals 27 minus 2 is going to give us what? It's going to give us 25. So we have 25 here. Now, what are we going to do? So now from here, the next thing we're going to do is, we cannot write this 25 in index form as what? As having base 2. So therefore, the only thing we can do is to introduce logarithm to the base, no, to the both sides of the equation. So since we are having 2 here, okay, so since we are having 2 here, I'm going to relate this with what? With, that is log of base 2, okay, 2, so that these 2, we cancel these 2, we have what? We have to the power of y equals log base 2, then 5. So now from here, this, we cancel this, we're going to have y equals log of base 2, then 5. So we have what? We have the second solution to be this. Now, let's now see how we are going to do if you are to put this back to the main equation we are given. So what are we going to have? So let's quickly do that because of time. 9 to the power of x minus, what the x is, what the x is 3 minus 4 into the to the power of, we have log base 2, we have what? We have this to be, sorry, this is 25. I'm very sorry, okay, because we have 25 here, 25. This is 25, okay, not 5, 25. So from there, so we want to know whether this is going to give us 104. So now we're going to have 9 to the power of 3. 9 to the power of 3 minus, here we have 4. You can write this 4 as 2 to the power of 2, okay, log 2 5, then equals, now you have 9 to the power of 3 minus 2. 2, we come down here, we have log base 2, 25 raised to the power of 2. So we have this to be 729 minus 2 log 2, 25 to the power of 2. This and this will be cancelled. So we're going to have 729 minus 25 raised to the power of 2. That's going to be 625. Now remove 625 from 729. So that will give us what? That will give us 104. Can you see that the left hand side is actually equal to what? 100 and what? 104. And that's the end of the class. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please, I made mistake here. So this place is supposed to be 25, not what? Not 5, as I earlier put. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.